to the Win Automation software robot demo. This is the actual script itself that generates the robot. This is within the Win Automation Job Designer tool. It has 71 lines of code, and basically what it's going to be doing is doing data cleansing on this spreadsheet, which is supposed to be an EHR abstract or extract from an EHR system. You'll see 5 patients listed. Column F is gender, and only one of the patients here has gender assigned. We're going to do a gender lookup based on this table, first name and gender, and then assign the gender based on each patient's first name that doesn't have a gender already assigned. Next, it's going to look at date of birth for each of them. It's going to parse out month, day, and year. You'll see that column G, which is the raw data, is in the European format for date of birth. We're going to then transform it in column K to the US format with month, day, year, whereas European is day, month, year. Next, we're going to go over to column O, which is the zip code. It's the 9-digit zip code. We're going to then parse out the 5-digit here in column P, and then the remaining 4 digits in column Q. We're then, through this script, going to be able to log into the zipcodeapi.com website, and based on each of these 5 zip codes, it's going to assign the correct city and state. You can see here in this sample data, there are some misspellings in the city, capitalization, the state is inconsistent in terms of abbreviation versus spelled out, and capitalization as well. So it'll correct that city and state based on what we're doing with the Zip Code API website to extract that data. So let's go ahead and run this script. The first thing it'll do is ask for the file that we're going to use. I'm going to retrieve that same file. You'll see the first thing it'll start doing is working on columns H through K, parsing out the date of birth data and then transforming it into column K into the US format. Then it's going to move over to the zip codes, parse out that data. Next, it's going to log into the zipcodeapi.com website, as you'll see here. It's going to then individually assign these zip codes to find the city and state for these 5 employees. As you see there, then it will extract that data, and you'll see it now being corrected in columns M and N on the spreadsheet based on the zip code for each patient. Now we have consistent state with capital GA to get the data more consistent, and then correcting any misspellings with city. Next, we're going to move on to column F. It's going to assign the gender for the last 4 patients, because the first patient was the only one that had gender assigned as a male. It's going to do this lookup for gender lookup based on the patient's first name, and then automatically assign that data in column F. So thank you very much for your time. I'm now stopping the demo. We look forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you very much.